Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Desbarats, Ontario, a rural town located just east of Sault Ste. Marie. The town was first settled in the mid-1800s and grew as a farming and logging community. Its name comes from the Desbarats family, who were prominent publishers and businessmen in early Canadian history. Over the years, the town has stayed small, with strong ties to agriculture and local traditions. Today, you'll find farmers markets and local art studios. Whether you're here for a quick visit or a quiet getaway, Desbarats is a lovely place to explore and unwind. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Desbarats, Ontario.
Thank you very much.